What up, ladies and gentlemen? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and an install for you guys. Look, I got me some new tires, some 275 40/20s, and some 315/35 20s right here, along with some brand new Weld racing wheels. Check that out, baby. These welds. So as you can see here on this box, 20 by 10.5. This is the front wheel. I have one opened up, and voila, look at the beauty of this. Yeah, this thing looks sexy. Now, this is just a trim ring to keep the wheel protected so I get no dings in it for transport before it gets mounted and balanced. Look how sexy these things are. Cannot wait to get them installed on the Camaro over there. So you guys are kind of seeing the unboxing now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install these. I'm gonna try to get some footage of them in the shop. Now my real wheels are 20 by 12 wide with the 315 tires. These things are gonna go be screaming. Now, this is a different tire set. I've never had these. So far I've gone through Pirellis, I've gone through some Goodyears, I've gone through some Lexanis, and also Arturo AZ850s. And actually that's my best performance tire right now, bargain wise, performance, grip, road noise. They're run flat tires. It's really a great affordable tire versus me doing like the Pirellis that was like, I don't know, $550 per tire. You know, the Arturo AZ850s, those are around those are around like $350 a tire, so a little bit better. These are kind of an off-brand that I haven't used before, but look, there was a back order on my AZ850s. I don't want to wait any longer. I've been wanting to see these on my car. I've had these wheels I've had the wheels for maybe a month and a half now. I was just working so much, I never had an opportunity to update. Hey, there goes my cat. But so yeah, enough talking about this stuff now. You guys will see the 20 by 12 in a brief moment, but I'm gonna load these up in the truck. We're gonna go ahead and get to the tire shop and see if we can get these mounted. Stay tuned. Over here at the rim shop, waiting to get mounted up. Alignment machine. Get those rims on the wall. Nice selection of wheels. Pretty dope spot. Got the colors on the top. Yeah, we got to get mounted up. Hook it up. The welds, tire sensors are going on. Real alignment's happening. Watching it work. 275, 40, 20 right there, getting lubricated. Mounted, and one's getting balanced. Those are 20s? heard the bead pop. Pretty much 2 down. 2 more to go. There you go. Fast action. Just like that. It's done. It's been balanced. It has been mounted. And thank you, sir. There we go. All right now. Appreciate it. Well, I got them all mounted up. I just finished handling my financials. So that is all complete. Just time to throw these guys in the rig, get home and mount them up. Look at that. 315. These things are beefy. Beefy. Love it. There's the setup. Oh. All right, throw them in the truck. Let's get home, get these on the car. So I'm a bit anal. I want the center cap where turned so the wheels are upright of the valve stem here. And also I realized I want to see if I can actually change this to like a stainless brushed valve stem later on, but that's my new tire sensor for now. Figure that out at a later point. Go this way, it feels better. So there we go. So as you look up, the valve stem, lug nut, and then the center cap, nice and square. And I put them on the tires just like that, 90 degrees. Nice and plumb.